How to cancel Stan Store subscription. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to cancel your Stan Store subscription. So first of all, just simply open your Standstill official website. Just simply open your preferred browser and type on admin.stan.store and you will be landed to the official website of Stan Store. And after that, just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your Stan Store account, in order to cancel your payment subscription, just simply click on the More section from the bottom of the screen at the right hand side, and from there under the More section just simply go to the Settings option, and over here on the top menu you will be able to see a bunch of different options like Profile, Integration, Billing, Payments, etc. Just simply click on Billing section from the top menu, and over here you will be able to see your payment method and the details that you have added while creating your account. So since you want to cancel your payment subscription, just simply tap on Cancel Subscription from the middle of the screen, or you can also change the plan as per your liking. But since you want to cancel your subscription, just simply tap on Cancel Subscription. In order to keep me in, Stan Store is also giving me a free 1-month trial on their website. Just simply click on Claim Free Month, but if you're not interested, just simply click on No Thanks. And after that, just select the reason why you want to cancel your subscription for the Stan Store website. And after that, just simply select the options from the given list and click on Next, and click on Next again, and click on Thanks. As you can see that your subscription has been successfully cancelled from your Stan Store account. Just click on Thanks and you are out of your Stan Store account now. So that's how you do it. So this is basically how you will be able to cancel your Stan Store subscription quite easily. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.